guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another synthetic wig review. Now that I have a swirly chair, I feel like I'm going to be doing this all video long. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Cassie. In today's video, I am bringing you another synthetic wig review. This wig is by ZURY SIS, and it's been quite a minute since I reviewed any unit from this company. This style, in particular, had me intrigued, so I wanted to try it out for you guys. This is Totem in the color SOM RT Chestnut. Before we go ahead and get into the tea and I give you guys my thoughts and opinions, we're gonna go ahead and get started off with the unboxing and styling portion of today's video. But before we go ahead and get started, if you guys are not already subscribed to the channel, y'all know what to do. Hit that button down below and turn on the bell so you never miss an upload from me. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you are here for this kind of content, and let's go ahead and get started. The packaging for this wig is pretty standard. However, when I looked at the stock card, I noticed that it came with some wig tape on the back, and that's something that I have never used. But I want to know what your guys' thoughts are on wig adhesive down in the comments below. If you liked it, let me know. If you didn't, I want to know as well. Here's a look at that parting space. It's probably about 4 to 5 inches deep, and it's really nice and open. So I did like that about this wig. And it has a standard cap construction, 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps. Right off the bat, this wig did feel pretty snug on my head. And that's something that I can kind of expect with ZURY SIS units. I feel like they're always a little bit on the more smaller side, more so like a true medium, but for my large head, they can be a little bit uncomfortable. So I'm not gonna lie, my first impression was not that great. I felt like it was kind of giving me mullet vibes because I felt like the bangs were just a little bit too short. So now that you guys are seeing the back of this unit, you can kind of see my bun in the back. I was lazy and didn't braid down my hair, but it's fine. We're gonna keep it pushing. I'm gonna go ahead and pull back some of the hair while I cut this lace. The lace that comes with this unit is a light brown. It wasn't super ashy or anything like that, and I didn't have to go in and tint the lace or do anything special to make it blend into my skin tone. You do get the bangs all along the hairline, so that is nice. It kind of conceals the lace and you really only have to focus on that parting space. So I went ahead and added some foundation just to really make that parting space pop, and now I'm going to go ahead and start working on the hair. This wig does have a little bit of filler hair, nothing crazy. It doesn't make anything super bulky or anything around the part, but I did kind of want to flatten it out just to make the part more pronounced. I also needed to go ahead and mold the bangs because one side was flatter than the other. I think that's just because of how it was packaged in the box. Now you guys will see me work the hair into like a half up, half down type of style. I feel like this looked a little bit better. I just really wasn't feeling the wig all down as a middle part. There just wasn't enough body. Maybe if the wig itself had some more layers to it and it wasn't just like a straight bob, I would have felt better. Let's go ahead and get into the pros and cons about this unit, starting off with the cons. The biggest one that I have to mention is the amount of shedding that I have received from this unit. I wasn't really expecting it to shed given the length and the fact that it is a straight unit, but I have received quite a bit of shed hair. I did cut really close to the lace because you get the bang kind of all along the hairline, so there really was no point in keeping any type of lace because I wasn't going to pull any of the hair back. So I did cut pretty close, but I still don't think that that justifies the amount of shedding I have received. But that's really my biggest con with this wig. It does have some filler hair. They're not crazy and it's not causing a lot of humpage. But once I pulled it back into this half up, half down type of style that I have going on, I did see some filler hair poking out right here in the front, which doesn't really bother me because it's not causing an issue. Like I said, I didn't have a lot of humpiness or, you know, extra baggage sitting right up here in the front. So it didn't bother me, but obviously I didn't want those hairs to poke out once I pulled it up, so I just cut them out because I didn't want them sticking out, you know what I'm saying? I want it to be cute. As far as the cons go, that is pretty much it. Just an overall observation, this is a small to medium cap. Now, I don't have my hair super flat, so maybe that's a little bit on me, and I have lost my wig grip. Girl, I don't know, she grew legs and she has ran away from me. Since the move, I don't know where my wig grip is. I need more. Anyways, this wig does tend to slide back just a little bit. It's not too bad right now. I thought it was gonna be sliding back like crazy once I pulled, you know, this up into a ponytail, but it's not too bad, but it is a little bit on the snug side. So big head girls, beware. You're going to need a wig grip, something. I do have the combs in the front anchored into my hairline, which I normally don't do, but because I did not want my wig back here, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and use these combs. As far as the pros go, I really do love this color. Again, this is the SOM RT Chestnut. It's a really pretty dark brown with nice like chocolatey tones. Really love it. It's very pretty, very natural. I also didn't mind the parting space. I had to wig it up a little bit with some foundation. I felt like it needed to be pretty bright in order to see that clear, distinct part. So I didn't go in with any powder. I just took some foundation on a really fine, small brush and just dabbed it all down the parting space, and I feel like that really woke it up, and it looks really, really nice. I didn't pluck anything out of this wig. The texture is amazing. It is a nice, light, yucky texture. It doesn't have any crinkles or anything like that. Does not have any artificial shine. It's very nice and soft. Really like the texture of this unit, and I'm not mad at the length either. I feel like I do have a few stragglers here in the front that are a little bit longer that I kind of want to go in and snip off. But other than that, I really do like this length. I am 6 feet tall. I showed you guys a quick 360 before I went ahead and styled this unit of what it looks like all the way around. So if you are shorter than me, it will appear a little bit longer on you, but to me, it is coming right at my clavicle. Let's go ahead and talk about these bangs. Obviously, that is the reason why I purchased this wig. If you guys do not know, the whole curtain bang trend is very popular recently on Instagram and everything. When I saw a synthetic wig with the curtain bangs, I was like, you know what? I gotta try it out. And on the model, it's not selling me. I mean, obviously it sold me because I purchased it, but I was like, you know what? I think it's the color that was throwing me off. I'm gonna get it in a natural color and see what's up. I do wish the bangs were longer. Maybe it's just my height. Maybe not, because even on the model, they're pretty short. I wish the shortest layer was like down here. You know what I'm saying? Just a little bit longer, because right now, I don't know yet. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know how I feel about this wig. This is one of those wigs where depending on the angle, it looks good. And in another angle, it don't look so good. And that's not okay, because I want to look good from all angles, period. That would have made all the difference, and I really would have loved this wig because of the texture and everything like that. I think that it really has great potential if the bangs weren't so short. Also, I had to apply some heat to this side because I think the way that it was sitting in the package, this side has a little bit less body than this side. And they were kind of like sitting to the back. And I was like, no girl, you need to come front and center, okay? Give me the curtain effect. I went in with my hot comb to press this out and just push it down towards my face so that I got that like nice swoop effect. Sometimes getting a wig with a bang already set in it, and especially if they are styled bangs, it's kind of a risk. They either look good or they don't, and it's very hard if they're already pre-styled to get them to lay in a different direction. Overall, I'm not mad at this wig. There are definitely some things that I would like to have seen tweaked a little bit, but overall, I think that she's cute. I do like the little half up, half down thing going on. And I was able to pull that back into a pretty flat, you know, ponytail, considering the filler hair and everything like that, and that this wig is already parted down to the side and in the middle. So I was kind of surprised that I was able to pull it up and have it look as cute as it does. So, y'all, I have had this wig so long, I forgot how much it costs. This wig does range between $30 and $35 depending on what online beauty supply store you like to purchase from. If you guys are interested and you want to get your hands on Miss Totem, I will leave a generic link down below so you guys can shop around and get the best deal. If I forgot to mention anything, you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I also created an Amazon store, so if y'all have ever wanted to see what kind of products I like purchasing on Amazon, and I only put my repeat buys. So if I have something on my Amazon storefront, girl, that means I buy it regularly, okay? Like more than once. It's kind of embarrassing, and I have not ran that report to see how much I've spent on Amazon altogether. I don't need to be attacked like that, okay? Like, that's not good for my mental health. So, if you guys ever want to see what kind of products I am loving, that will always be linked down below in the description bar as well. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will be very, very soon. Bye!